On the underside of the car, a lot of oil here because the oil filter adapter housing is broken, and I think the power steering line is leaking. Maybe the supply line here is broken, or maybe the pressure line is broken, I don't know, but this tube here from the turbo to the intercooler is broken. Not really much damage under here though. Whenever you pull the fender liners on these cars, you need to clean this muck out that collects behind here. This makes the car rust in this area. Get all this mud out of there. I'll do a better job of cleaning it. Have to get access to that bolt right here, and it was literally buried on the other side. Well, here it is, my pile of parts, bad parts that I've taken off, and here's what I would call a fender horn, not a frame horn. I'd call this the frame horn. This is a fender horn. It's not super critical. I mean, I have repaired one, not damaged this bad before, but I cut it off here and welded another one on from another car, so I think that's doable. This one is damaged also, but I have those parts on a parts car. I put ratchet straps here in order to pull the motor forward back to where it belongs. The mount was broken right here, but I have a mount, so I think I'm going to remount this in the right spot. I don't know if I showed the intake broken there and the EGR valve broken there. If this needs a motor, this becomes a ridiculous waste of time, but I think I'm going to try and fix this car for me to drive, not to fix it and sell it. But if I drive it and it's perfect, then I wouldn't have a problem selling it. But I'm going to fix this car for me to drive, and because I have all these parts already, there's no reason not to.